Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Ford Fusion SE, stock number E2002P. 21,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, shadow black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5. Cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in a perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, dual zone automatic climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Fusion, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.